How to switch from Cricket to Mint Mobile. Make sure your device is compatible with Mint Mobile's network. You can verify this on Mint Mobile's website. Select a plan that suits your needs from Mint Mobile's offerings. Purchase a Mint Mobile SIM card online or from a retailer. Follow the instructions provided with the SIM card to activate it. This typically involves visiting Mint Mobile's website or using their app. If you want to keep your current phone number, initiate the number porting process during activation. You'll need your Cricket Wireless account number, PIN, and the number you wish to port. Adjust the access point name, APN, settings on your phone if required. Instructions can be found on Mint Mobile's website. Place a test call, send a text message, and use mobile data to ensure your Mint Mobile service is functioning correctly. Contact Cricket Wireless customer support to cancel your service, settle any outstanding balances, and return any leased equipment if applicable. Thanks for watching.